Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add tags to your YouTube video. So step 1, log in to your YouTube account, tap your profile at the top right corner, scroll down here and then look for YouTube Studio. Here on your YouTube Studio, you have to go to content to edit that specific video that you want to add tags, but I haven't uploaded any videos right here, so let me upload first. So now that I have my video, I can add some titles for this. For example, aesthetic day. Below there is this description box where you can add description to your video. You can also add a thumbnail here below and then just check or uncheck any necessary things that you need to check or add here. Scroll down and look for add tags. This is where we're going to add our tags for our video or YouTube video. Now, go to any web browser and then search for tags for videos and then just look for any specific or choose any specific tag generator here. So for example, I'm going to use this rapid tags right here. I'm going to open. Now, I'm going to paste the title of my video or add the title of my video, which is aesthetic day. Copy, go back, and then paste it right here. Tap on the search icon, and you should see the sample tags. And all you have to do is to copy these tags, copy tags. And then after that, you can now go back to your YouTube Studio and then click this box right here, right click, and then paste. And here are your tags. Now you can delete because it's just 500, okay, 500 per tags right here. You can delete and then replace it with whatever you want. For example, aesthetic view, something like that. Now once done, you can now click next and proceed with other things here on your YouTube. And then once done, you can now publish this video. So that's how easy it is to add tags to your YouTube video. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.